DIN 3016 P-clip. Manufactured in very flexible steel, which allows the P-clip to be formed to the correct shape. The EPDM liner prevents leaks, absorbs vibration, and avoids wear and tear to the application area. Ideal for fastening any kind of material, which allows a screw or bolt to be used. The extra layer of steel on the band ends reinforces the assembly and avoids deformation. Each clip is marked with information on the application diameter, material, and brand. There are 6 different forms of DIN 3016 P-clip.